Doing my best to make it through each day, yet the world stands before me like a towering wall. With every step I try to take, it feels like I'm going nowhere at all. I force a smile and keep holding on, but my heart grows weaker every day. When I lift my eyes toward the sky, all I see is endless rain. When will this rain finally stop? Will tomorrow really come? Rain falls in my heart like tears that won't stop falling. No matter how hard I keep walking, I still can't find the road. Rain falls in my heart. Where am I supposed to go? Where is this life leading me? I don't even know anymore. Everyone else seems to be moving on, while I'm the only one standing still. All the years I've spent believing, surely they weren't all in vain. At the end of another breaking day, only quiet sighs remain with me, but I still refuse to write the word give up inside my heart. If the rain keeps falling, it's okay to stop for a while. Even a soaked heart will someday become dry again. One small step is enough today. Tomorrow I'll take one more. Rain falls in my heart, but I'll keep walking anyway. Somewhere beyond this rainy road, the sunlight may be waiting. Rain falls in my heart, though I can't see what's ahead. These steps that carried me through today will someday make me smile again. The rain is still falling, but I won't stop walking. Someday this rain will become